What if I told you that complete beginners are making real money using ChatGPT without coding, without a degree, and without starting a traditional business? In 2026, AI isn't the future anymore. It's the opportunity happening right now. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are using ChatGPT to generate income step by step and how you can start today. Welcome to AI Income Lab, where we break down real ways to build income using AI tools. Let's get into it. Method 1. Freelance writing with AI. Businesses constantly need blog posts, email newsletters, website content, product descriptions. Here's what beginners are doing. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality drafts. Step 2. Edit and refine the content. Step 3. Sell the service on Fiverr or Upwork. Some freelancers charge $50 to $150 per article. With just 20 articles per month, that's $1,000 to $3,000. And you don't need to be a professional writer, you just need to learn how to prompt properly. Method 2. An AI-powered resume writing. Most people struggle to write strong resumes. Beginners are asking ChatGPT to optimize resumes, rewriting LinkedIn profiles, creating cover letters, then charging $30 to $100 per client. You can find clients on Fiverr, LinkedIn, Facebook job groups. This works because people want better jobs, and better resumes increase their chances. Method 3. YouTube automation with ChatGPT. This one is powerful. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate video scripts. Step 2. Use AI voice tools for narration. Step 3. Use stock footage and simple editing. Step 4. Monetize with ads and affiliate links. Many faceless channels are built entirely on this model. You don't show your face. You don't record your own voice. You build digital assets that earn over time. Method 4. Selling digital products. ChatGPT can help you create ebooks, study guides, workout plans, business templates, Notion planners. You can sell these on Etsy, Gumroad, your own website. Create once, sell multiple times. That's scalable income. Method 5. Social media content services. Small businesses struggle with posting consistently. Beginners are using ChatGPT to write Instagram captions, generate content calendars, create ad copy, write short-form scripts. Then, offering monthly packages starting at $300 to $1,000. Just 3 clients can become full-time income. Important reality check. ChatGPT won't magically make you rich. The people making money are doing 3 things. They treat it like a business. They focus on solving real problems. They take action immediately. AI is just the tool. You are still the operator. How to start today. If you're starting from zero, Step 1. Pick one method. Step 2. Practice prompting ChatGPT daily. Step 3. Create a simple Fiverr or Upwork profile. Step 4. Offer competitive pricing at first. Step 5. Reinvent and improve with feedback. Within 30 to 60 days, you can realistically see income if you stay consistent. Closing motivation. The biggest mistake beginners make? They watch 20 videos and never start. Meanwhile, someone else takes imperfect action and builds momentum. In 2026, AI is leveling the playing field. The opportunity is real, but only for people who move. Call to action. If you want more step-by-step AI income strategies, subscribe to AI Income Lab. And in the next video, I'll break down the exact prompts you can use to start making money with ChatGPT immediately.